So, as you can see, ito, we'll show you now, we have the biking lane and jogging path here because we promote
healthy lifestyle.
Healthy lifestyle, ayan. So, madaming nagja-jogging dito sa Capital Town. So, ayun, you could enjoy this whole 35.6 hectare development na mag-jogging kayo all around dito. No, once you are unit owner dito sa project po namin. So as you can see, it's already 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So mainit na, but here in Capital Town, we have mga trees to shade us dito, no? Hindi ganun ka super init.
No? And mahangin, fresh air.
Correct. So with this one, Mega World promotes din yung mga greeneries, lush greeneries, diba? Para at least fresco. And yun, hindi lang puro buildings dito, but rather, Mega World promotes talaga yung nature.
Nature, greenery,
and open space. So, part of the Rainwater Park is the mini football field. So, yan. Ang ganda dito, no? Parang nasa ibang bansa ka,
Nasa ibang bansa na.
So, pwedeng tayong magsasakar-sakar football field tayo dito, no?
May mga seating areas din, Sir Alan.
Yes.
Diba?
And, sige, punta tayo ngayon sa mismong Rainwater Park. We're in
Catch basin natin.
Yes.